How to increase ad viewability. The ideal viewability score is 70% or more. The industry now is focused on viewable impressions rather than served impressions. So, to increase ad revenue, you need to increase ad viewability. 6 tips in increasing ad viewability. First, place ads on where your users hold much attention to the page. While it ranges across content verticals or industries, content that holds a user's attention has the highest viewability. Second, use sticky ad units or anchor ad units. These ad units sticks on page as the user navigates to the site. Ideally, they have 80 to 90% viewability score. Use vertical ad sizes. The most viewable ad sizes are vertical units. Not a surprise since they stay on screen longer as users move around a page. The most popular ones are 160 by 600, 300 by 600, and 120 by 600. Fourth, place ads both above and below the fold. Page position matters. The most viewable position is right above the fold, not at the top of the page. Because users' natural behavior is to scroll down. He or she navigates the site. Though page position isn't always the best indicator of viewability, not all above the fold impressions are viewable, while many below the fold impressions are. According to Google, 40% of most viewable impressions below the fold. So always experiment and implement both above and below the fold. Fifth, improve page load speed by implementing lazy loading. Lazy loading only triggers an ad request right before the ad is being viewed by the user. Ideally, it helps a lot with your ad viewability. Lastly, implement ad refresh. Ad refresh allows reloading ads while in view. But be careful, don't abuse ad refresh as it also pulls down your viewability score. Always experiment and match it to your user's behavior.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks, we'll catch you next time.